Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my favorite people in the whole entire universe. How's everybody doing? It's Friday. It is Friday, which means we're making money today. Today, I'm not stopping until I make $1 billion. So that is my plan today. We're not stopping until we make $1 billion. So yeah, I'm really focused today. I'm really focused today. I did, however, guys, I did take a cheeky little trade this morning, and I took a small little win. Sorry, not this morning, yesterday. I'll go over the trade that I took yesterday after stream. I'm thinking, guys, I'm going to extend the stream today. This is gonna be a special stream. It's Friday. There's a lot of knowledge I'm gonna be dropping for you guys. I'm going to expose the real secret behind the wiggly worm golden strategy, as you all know. I think the music is too loud. All right then. But yeah, we're going to extend this possibly into New York session. I took a trade pre-New York session yesterday, just before, and it was a very clean setup. So depending on how things go during our session together now, I'll determine whether I'm going to stream through into that New York session. Now, guys, today is a very special day. So, reason being, it is the first of the month, right? Guys, I did a quick little analyze on the market, and there's a lot of information and really exciting information I can't wait to share with you guys. And it's going to actually get you all excited for this coming month. I think, guys, this month we are going to have beautiful price action, and I'll kind of explain why, right? I do think we're going to continue the buys. I think we're going to keep rallying into all-time highs, and if this happens, guys, there's a lot of money that's going to be made. So a lot to talk about today, and let's see if we can get a big win today. I'm keen, guys. I would like to take 2 good trades today. So let's see what we get. How's everybody doing though, guys? How is everybody doing? How's the whole team doing? Who's in the chat? Nifa's here, Simphy, Finn, FXC Academy. Oh, everyone's in the chat. Everybody's here. Weekends are for withdrawals, so let's finish strong, bro. Yeah, weekend is I mean, it depends what broker you're trading with, but usually withdrawals don't get processed on weekends. But yeah, you can definitely withdraw on today or tomorrow. But yeah, weekends are for withdrawals, that is true. I can't wait, need work. Yes, you're back in the game. Good morning. Nifa, good morning. Simphy, you are Zeus, you can do anything. Bro, I'm not Zeus, bro. Every morning before I get on the chart, I look in the mirror and I'm like, Cam, you're the Wolf of Wall Street, brother. But if I'm going to be honest with all of you, it's what I do. I manifest it every single morning after my shower, just before I'm about to get on stream. I look in the mirror, eye to eye, and I say to myself, Cam, you are the Wolf of the Wall Street, bro. And that just pumps me up, and I come behind the charts, and then I'm ready. I'm ready to make $1 million. You guys have to hype yourself up before your trading session starts, bro. You have to. You have to hype yourself up. I love making trading fun for myself. I love to make it fun, because at the end of the day, I am my own boss, and I want to make my job enjoyable. I don't want to, I hype myself up, bro. I speak it into existence. Okay, guys. What's your bias for the day? We see Sorbet is saying a bearish bias. Okay. Inside bar on the 5 minute. Someone's saying now. I'm going to do a breakdown shortly, guys. I will do a breakdown shortly. I'm not rushing into anything right now. I think that this is your soul setup, isn't it? 5 minute time frame. Let's just have a quick look what he's talking about, guys. Let's see. Yeah, guys, in order to take a short, you need to see price close back below EMA. But if I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I need to go over what I'm seeing. So let's get into it. All right, let's get into my quick little breakdown, guys. As we know how the breakdown starts, we start on the daily time frame. We start breakdown on the daily time frame. All right, so with that being said, let's get to it. But actually today, guys, I want to start off on the monthly. The reason being is because we are the start of the new month. So let's look at how last month closed. Guys, look at last month's candle. Look at this candle, guys, on last month. Now, the previous month candle, which was last month's candle, was a big fat green dildo of a candle, guys. Huge. And because of that candle, so many traders made a lot of money, right? When price is just rallying into the highs, it's so easy to trade that, right? Because you just keep buying. But something else I also noticed, and something that you guys now should start picking up as well, because we talk about it all the time. Look how this is very important to understand this, because it's going to give us more of an understanding going into this new month. Look how we close back above EMA, right? And you guys know what happens when a candle closes back above an EMA. We can now start to look to buy. Okay, we can start to look to buy. Now, this is kind of telling me, okay, guys, May we're going to be bullish. We might have a pullback, but overall, I think we're going to be bullish this month, guys. We are going to be bullish, and I'm confident. Buyers heavily stepped in. We closed back above EMA, breaking up to the upside with a huge bullish closure. Okay, I also can see EMA's being completely respected on the monthly. Weekly is just absolutely rocketing to planet Pluto. It's going to the Pluto. So yeah, weekly is just absolutely taking off as well, guys. I do think we're going to potentially have a run to the highs today, before this week closes, possibly breaking the monthly high. But let's see. We don't know that just yet. Okay. Oh, sorry, the daily. Okay, now this is where we get into our breakdown. So daily time frame. Okay, guys, we had a beautiful. I spoke about this yesterday. I said, guys, we have an inside bar on the daily time frame, as we can see over here. Okay, now the inside bar, what do I say? If the high gets broken to the upside, if we're above an EMA, there is a very high chance we're going to now start longing. Okay, we're going to start buying. So the fact we had this inside bar, price broke above that inside bar high on the daily. There you go. What happened? Price rallied into the highs, and I called that move yesterday. Reason for taking that buy that we all won really nicely on. Okay, today we've opened up and we're having a pullback. So the pullback we're currently having, is this a pullback to flip to go green again, or we're going to pull all the way back, you know, into yesterday's candle? So that we're going to determine. Right now, I'm easy. I still have a bullish bias, but I'm open to potentially scalping a pullback if we do get that. Okay. 1 hourly. No, sorry, 4 hourly, guys. 4 hourly. What am I doing? Okay, cool. 4 hourly is pulling back into that EMA. We can see price broke the highs, and now we're closing back below, pulling back into that EMA. So yeah, we could have a drop from, you know, where price is currently into the 7,500 area. Okay, this EMA is sitting in the 7,500. This price can very well pull back into that area. So I'm open. I am open into, you know, seeing that. 1 hourly. 1 hourly. Guys, the chat's frozen, bro. Okay, I'll fix the chat now, guys. I need to reset the chat. But I'll do that now. Let me just finish breaking this down. Hourly, we are currently below EMA. We are below that EMA, which is, you know, indicating we could be bearish. We could have that pullback as I expected. Maybe to fill this gap on the left. We do have a big imbalance where price can come full out. So maybe price can drop into that. Let's see. Let's see what this hourly wants to do. If this hourly starts getting back above EMA, I think we're going to rally into the highs again. But yeah. And then, guys, 15 minute. Pullback could very well be at 15 minute. Notice how we're really respecting EMA. We come into it, close below, drop. Come into it, close below, drop. So now we've come into it again. If we can close back below, we could look for a drop, maybe into the low, into the lows. So possible. So other than that, guys, let's wait for this 15 minute to close in 5 minutes time, and then we can drop to the 5 minute and potentially start looking for an entry. This here would possibly be an entry on the 5 minute to short. We did close back below, but I'm going to, for me, it's still early in the session. I'm going to play it safe. Let's wait for this 15 minute to close, and then I will drop to that 5 minute time frame, and then we will look for entry, right, into a short if we do get it. So guys, let's smack a big fat win today, or 2 big fat wins. Dump. Oh, Cam Bam's in the chat. Okay, guys, I'm just going to quickly just fix the chat. Give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment, bro. Give me a moment, bro. Give me a moment, bro. There you go. Chat's up and going. The chat's up and going. There you go. Okay, cool. Alright, so while we wait for this 15 minute to close, guys, I'm going to go over the trade I took yesterday after stream, just before New York session. And I kind of hold it into New York session a bit. I know I say I hate New York session, which I truly do with all my heart. But yesterday had a move. I think today's New York session, there will be a move. Reason being, it's the first of the month. So I think New York session will give a really nice move today, which I'm going to be open to streaming into. So today might be a very good stream, guys. We might trade our Wiggly Worm session, maybe catch a very good win, and then maybe take a trade pre-New York into the New York session. Let's see. I am open, guys. I am open to potentially going into New York session today with you guys. I just, all depending on price action and what gets given. But it is the first of the month. I do see something happening today for sure. Just from experience, I've noticed there's usually a nice movement on this type of day. But I'm going to, Cam, you said price is going to dump. Cam, you said price was going to dump. What do you mean? Did I say price was going to dump? Hold on. Are you talking about yesterday, bro? Talking about yesterday, brother. Because if I did say price was going to dump yesterday, yeah, I didn't dump yesterday. We did have a sell-off at some point, like 2 sell-offs. But that's trading, bro. I can be wrong. Okay, cool. Let's go into yesterday's trade though. Okay, yesterday I took a buy, right? I took a buy. Okay, let me go back and find the buy I took. And it is simple. It was the setup that I take all the time with you guys. It was oh, sorry, it was a sell. Sorry guys, it was a sell. It was that pre-New York session. Sorry guys. Okay, so here was the setup I took yesterday. I said yesterday on stream that I was looking to short NQ. What happened was I wanted, so price was obviously trending. Just tell me if you can see the screen. Okay, Okay, cool. So yesterday, right, guys, we scalped this buy, right? This was the buy we scalped. Was it this one? Oh, it was this one over here. Yesterday, guys, we scalped this buy all the way up into the highs, right? The one we took a really good win on. I was waiting to see how price was reacting with this EMA. When that New York session was about to come in, I saw that price close back below EMA over here on this candle. All right. I did have a bit of that bearish bias, as you guys saw in the beginning of yesterday's stream. Also, the fact we closed below EMA and this high I put in was, I looked at this high as a potential lower high, okay? So this for me, I was like, okay, cool. This could be a short entry. What happened straight after this candle closed? This green candle came into the EMA and closed, but it was an inside bar. We had an inside bar below my EMA, plus this previous candle closure. I entered at the break of this candle. So yesterday was a crazy trade, I won't even lie. Yesterday I entered that. I didn't take it all, I didn't catch the whole movement, guys. I didn't catch the whole movement. I took it to like over here. So it was like a 1 2 2.5, 1 2 3, around there. That was the trade I took yesterday into that New York session. And I know I do say I don't trade New York session, but this time it can just happen sometimes. You see a move and it could be in a session you don't really like, you know, but I'll still take the setup. So that was really, really nice move I took yesterday. This is why, guys, it's so important to wait for candle closures. Look how we closed back above EMA on the 5 minute. It's so important to wait for a candle to close. If the candle doesn't close, guys, it could put you in a bit of a pickle. And I said, let's wait for that 15-minute to close. And the 15-minute closed horribly. So now, in this scenario, we need to wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's be patient. Let the market come to me this morning. Come to us. And let's see what we get given. Okay. So rinse and repeat. The same thing every single damn day, bro. Yeah, Sorbet, that was 5 minutes yesterday, brother. That was 5 minutes. While we're waiting for a trade, guys, let's run up the likes. Let's run up the likes on stream. Yesterday was crazy. We got over 100 likes on stream. And what happened, guys? I gave away 2 accounts. And for the guys that won the 2 accounts yesterday, you should have received your accounts. I got a message this morning saying they've been sent to you. So if you are watching the stream, guys, trade those accounts with love, man. Trade them with love. Okay, let me quickly see the hourly. I'm gonna mark off some hourly levels as well, so we have some levels on, guys, for today to target. Okay, guys, hourly levels. Hourly levels, okay. So we have a level sitting over here. That's a really nice level that price is actually coming up into. So if we can get a candle close back above this level, that's good. Why this level? Because we can see this is where a really nice buyer step back into push price higher. So this is a level I would like to use, right? On top of that, we have a level sitting at the high over there. So if we can get back above the 580s, which is this level, above this EMA, we could really see price rally into this level up here sitting at the 650 area. Okay, and then I'm just going to keep those levels just for now. That's all I need for the time being. I don't want to overcomplicate anything. I was looking at this as an entry when we close back above to buy this break, and now it's pushing. That could be an entry long, but the reason I didn't want to take that, guys, is because it's not super clean. We are having a hard sell off right now. I don't want to rush into a buy without a good 15-minute candle closure. The 15-minute candle closure is very important. If this 15-minute candle closes above EMA, guys, we can start to look to take buys, right? We can slowly creep into being open to taking longs, and we can target all of this liquidity to the left, possibly up into the 650 area. So let's wait, guys. There's no rush. No rush. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. This is the NQ chart, brother. Alan, I am jumping between the 15 and the 5-minute currently right now. Whoop whoop. Guys, I have a last night I was thinking to myself something really crazy, and I think you guys will really enjoy this. I was thinking to get a tattoo live while streaming with you guys, okay? And the tattoo has to be a wiggly worm. I really want to get a worm tattooed on me, bro. So I'm thinking I should get a tattoo like somewhere here, like where there's space, somewhere here for you guys while I'm trading live with you guys. I should get a tattoo. And it's not a gold chart, bro. It's Nasdaq NQ. NQ. Guys, we might go for buys, huh? We might scalp some buys. I went fishing this morning. I went trout fishing, guys, this morning. I caught 2 big trout, like big ones, bro. Your body, your choice, as they say. Of course, bro. You must see what my body looks like right now, brother. I look like a bloody newspaper, dude. I'm tattooed like from literally neck to toe. And I got a tattoo in my mouth. Because why not? Alright, see, this is why we need to wait, guys. Look how we're rejecting at this key level really nicely. Prices come into it, and we can see the sellers trying to push price lower. Sellers are trying to push price lower at the 580s. Sellers are trying to push price lower. So maybe if this 15-minute candle can flip red. Ooh, guys, I'm feeling something juicy. Let's see. If we can close back below EMA, I might look to scalp a short, huh? We might jump in for sells. Let's see. What's the hourly doing? Yeah. Or if we don't break below and we start breaking back above this current high, we can look for buys. Maybe this 5-minute puts in an inside bar. If this 5 minutes an inside bar, it could set us up for longs. Might reject from 485. Yeah, it might. But it might not. Bro, welcome to the stream, and I'm so glad to have you here, Brad. The EMA is EMA 9. AKA the wiggly worm. I promise you, bro, you're gonna notice how simple the strategy is. I'm gonna start exposing something about this EMA or the wiggly worm, whatever you want to call it, later on in the stream. I'm going to give you guys another really golden gem that can really boost your win rate with the EMA. Okay, it's going to really boost your win rate with the EMA, and it's going to kind of tell you if you need to look to buy and sell off the 5 minute, depending on something. I can't expose too much, but later down the stream, guys, today I'm going to expose something that I haven't yet spoken to you guys about. I told you guys, every other day I'm exposing a gem for you guys. Yeah. Brother, this is US 100 chart. I know, I didn't say it's not. I didn't say it's not, bro. US 100's NQ, Nasdaq. I didn't say, I said it, it's NQ, bro. Every day a new gem dropping. Yo, Sorbet, you know it, dude. You know it, bro. But I'm telling you right now, you guys don't want to miss this gem, because this thing what I'm going to drop later is going to really yeah, boost your confidence when it comes to trading this EMA. Okay, so see, price is rejected off this key level, guys, and we made it inside bar. The only thing I need to wait for now, guys, I need to wait for price to close back below EMA on a 5 minute. I need to see a 5 minute candle close back below EMA, and then I can look to get short. I don't want to. When I look at what happened now, how we came into this key level, we have an inside bar on the 5 minute, and now we're breaking an inside bar. That is tempting for me to jump in, but guys, I need to follow my rule. I would rather take a loss by following my rules than take a loss by disobeying my rules, alright? Because when I lose from following my plan, it doesn't affect me. But if I take a sell right now, and I take a loss on this trade, I'm going to say, Cam, I should have waited for candle to close back below EMA. Simphy, are there yesterday's winners trading accounts? I don't know. I got a message this morning that the guys received their accounts yesterday, the winners. So, yeah, apparently they received their accounts. And they did follow the rules of the giveaway. They did sign up through the link. They were checked, so that's good. How much lot size should I take? Alan, brother, do you trade futures or do you trade CFDs, bro? Because, on futures we use contracts, we don't use lot sizes. And I don't know, bro, you take however many you want to take, depending on your risk management, depending on your account size, etc. I will never tell you guys, I'll never tell you how much you need to risk on a trade, alright? And I'll also never tell you when to trade. Everything I'm doing is educational. There is absolutely, this is not financial advice in any way possible, even though I secretly am the Wolf of Wall Street that no one really knows about. Don't take my financial advice. You're more than welcome to learn from me and absorb the knowledge I give to you guys, and then you take that information and do what you want. Hi Cam, I hope you're doing, how are you doing today? Hopefully today I will try again for giveaway. Hey games lover for me, there's no giveaway today, bro. Maybe there is one, actually, maybe not, maybe not. I don't take, I think, respect for the guys and girls. You see why I need to wait for that 5 minute candle closure. Look how now the 5 minutes pulling back above. This is why we need to wait for that closure, guys. We need to wait for the closure. We need to wait for that 5 minute closure. K-Dog! Good morning, sexy man. Good morning, sexy guy. K-Dog in the house. Woof, roof, roof. One of the winners yesterday of the giveaway won what was it? What are the contestants, guys, that won the giveaway yesterday? Their name was Alley Cat or Kitty Cat or something like that. Hi, please don't mind. Please enroll everyone in both spins because you missed most of them in first spin. Listen, yeah, if you guys are gonna come here begging for another giveaway, just exit the stream right now. I'm not here for that. I told you guys, when you guys least expect it, I'll come on stream and I'll give away some accounts to you guys, right? As a thank you for showing me support, I'll support you back. End of story. But this is more knowledge. And don't tell me that I didn't add your name in the wheel, because I did it twice and I added everybody in. You had a certain time limit to put your names in, so that's how it works. End of story. Let's move on to the next. But I love you lots, bro. Just chill out a bit, man. I have a 5k prop firm. Nice, bro. What prop you trading with? Finny. FOMO'd on that push down, took a loss. Finn, bro, trust me, that's, first of all, that's okay. This is part of your journey into building yourself as a confident trader. But don't FOMO, guys. This is why I said we've got a 4-hour stream coming up, guys. We have enough time to find that perfect trade, bro. There's no FOMO needed, bro. We have no FOMO needed. I did say, this is why I did say, we need to wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Okay, guys, we closed back below EMA on the 5 minutes. Let's see what the 15 is looking like. And the 15's closed back below. So this is where I can start looking to take a sell. If we can break, if this current 5-minute candle can go red, I will look to short, guys. I will look to short. If this 5-minute candle can go red, I will look to short. We need to break the low. Let's see if we're gonna get it, guys. If this 5-minute candle can break the previous 5-minute low, this is actually, I'll be honest, guys, this is for me, this will almost be an A+ setup.
Order fill.
All right, I'm in. Guys, I've taken a short. I got in a little bit too early, like by like 2 points. But it's alright, whatever. Let's see, we're in. I should have waited for this previous 5 minutes to break though, but it's alright. It's okay. I do like the rejection of my key level closing back below EMA. That is a very good setup for me that I like to take. So I'm going to add a little bit more to this position, guys. Take this at your own risk, huh? If we break this low, I'll add in more. Take this at your own bloody damn risk. Okay, end of story. And let's see if we can get a nice win. Let's see if we can get another win. You know, this is the winning team. So far, we're sitting at 10 wins, 3 losses, which is a very, very good win rate. So yeah, guys, I should have waited for that low to break, huh? Let's see. Let's hope it breaks. Let's hope it breaks. Let's hope it breaks. Bravo. What was the levels marked out again? Bro, the levels that I have marked out, I have the 580 level, which is the one that we can see price reacted off over here. And then my other level is sitting at 650. 650. If we can break this low, I'm entering another position. Stay focused.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in for another position. There we go. Let's run this shit. Let's run it. And then if we want to talk about having targets, guys, target wise is a bit of a, that's another story. I feel like price could really fill it, so I think target wise is, I'm gonna go, yeah, guys, I think target can go into, yeah, Let's look at price 5, so the 75.20 area as a first target, I think. But we can probably go a lot lower than that, I think. So for now, I'm going to take profits at the 75.20, right? Let's see it, guys. Let's just see this play out. There's no... You know the vibes. Stay confident, just stay patient. You know it. I think it might consolidate. I'm gonna sit on my hands. Nifa, that's cool, man. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. MJM, we got this. Yeah, bro, we got it, man. Just take the trade and just chill out. That's the plan, isn't it? Huh? Take the trade and just chill out. We're gonna go for a big Friday win. If this hits TP, I'm gonna make about $3 grand, $3,000, bro. Yeah, $3,000 trade if we can drop into TP, which is absolutely sexy. If I'm gonna be completely honest with you. For all the new people on stream, guys, drop a like. Let's get it to over 50 likes this stream, man. Let's push the like button. Push the like button right now. And only once we get over 50 likes on stream, guys, I'm going to start going into the gem that I want to expose for you guys, right? I smacked this trade with 35 contracts. Tell me what other live streamer you guys know that goes in live. Oh, there we go. There's the push, baby. Come on, then. Tell me what other streamer you know goes in a funded account with 35 contracts. Nobody, bro. No other streamer that I personally know of is so confident in a strategy that will smack a position 35 contracts live in front of everybody on a funded account. Name me one. I don't know any. And that's just confidence, right? That's just absolute confidence in a strategy and an edge. Simple as. And you guys can have the exact same. Also, yeah, I keep saying to myself I'm the Wolf of Wall Street, so it helps. But it's looking good, guys. I'm currently up, what, $500 on the 200k funded, so it's looking super nice. Super good. I swear, guys, if we win this trade, you guys need to smack that like button one time if you have not already. Sorbet dumping, Cam-Bam. My like button is gone because I already clicked it. Bro, Cam-Bam, just create another YouTube channel, bro, and like it again. I always get in my paper first and Excel, but delay my funded entry with hesitation. Yeah, listen, man. Paper trading is so toxic, I think, if you're on it for too long. Because what happens is it makes you feel safe, right? Paper trading is great in the beginning for your first month or two into trading. But you need to get off that, man. Get off paper trading because it's not doing you any good, bro. It's not going to help you at all when it comes to psychology, man. I promise you that right now. So get yourself a very small challenge account with a futures firm, whether it's Funded Pro Futures. Funded Pro Futures does offer 25k accounts, which are nice small accounts to start with. They're cheap, and work your way with that, bro. 35 minis or micros? 35 micros, brother. 35 micros. That's real confidence, bro. Yeah, you just need it. Lucky FX, bro. You need to be confident in trading, brother. You need to be confident, bro. If you're not confident, like, you're never gonna make it, huh? Because the minute you're confident, the minute you can sit back in your chair and you can just chill the hell out, bro. And you can be like, whatever, let the market just do its thing, and you will not care about anything. And also, like, if your strategy is like really good, like, and really simple, I just boost your confidence even more. Symphy, I like the stream on my mom's phone too. Bro, you such a G, dude. Yo, guys, Symphy went on his mother's phone, bro, and liked the stream. What a legend, bro. I do like the London sesh the best, Asia sesh the least. Yeah, dude, I think it depends on everybody, session wise. I think that the best session is my session. Guys, there you go, baby. There we get in the dump. $1,000 up, bro. What a trade, brother. Okay, guys, if we break this low, I'm going break even. Okay, guys, ooh, I'm going break even. I'm break even on the trade. I'm break even on the trade. We up $1,100 to $1,400. Fuck yeah. What a bloody trade for Friday, bro. What a trade. Let's check the 15. What's the 15-minute giving us? Bro, that 15 is looking so juicy as well. The 15 is really selling off. Understand EMA, guys. If you know how to trade in EMA, you are going to make so much money consistently. Like, damn, bro. There we go. There we go, man. Look at that 15 absolutely tanking, guys. Look at that. What a bloody trade, gang. $1,700 up already on this freaking phenomenal sexy trade. Jeez, bro. I swear to you, I give you guys so much free knowledge and free money on the stream. It's actually unreal, like, honestly, and I love it. I love giving it away to you guys. And don't worry, I've still got such a gem to drop for you guys. And the gem I'm going to drop for you guys is going to make you understand why I took this trade today. And it's all gonna work. Everything, all these little bits I'm telling you guys on every single stream, these little gems I keep dropping, are all gonna come together, and you're gonna have your light bulb moment, and it's gonna click for you, and you're gonna be, oh my god, this is so simple. That's how Cam is winning so much, like, because his strategy makes complete sense now. No, it's wild, bro. It's wild, man. Trading is the wildest thing, how people overcomplicate it. And if you in the chat and you're a trader that overcomplicates it, look yourself in the mirror and say, you know what, bro, I'm the Wolf of Wall Street, bro. I'm gonna start making shit simple as. So guys, if you're in the trade now, you can do two things: close out full position, take your profits and walk away, which there's nothing wrong with doing that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with doing that, okay? And do I suggest that? Yes. We're up so good on this trade. Get out. But me, I'm not closing my trade because, well, yeah, I mean, I'm okay with hitting a break even. I'm trusting price is going to keep going lower following my daily bias. I want to see a 3K Friday, bro. I want to see a 3K Friday. And guys, next week, I will be taking a nice, sexy, juicy payout, bro. About IB Sterling. About 2 months in, I was profitable on demo and win rate of 75%. And as soon as I got on real money, I was FOMO rich. Brother, we literally had this topic talk yesterday. IB Sterling. Yesterday I said, guys, the minute you can, with backtesting and trading demo accounts, you're gonna win a lot. For some reason, you win a lot. Do you know why you win a lot? Because you got no emotion to it. So you win a lot, right? You're not attached to the account. You've got no emotion. So that's why you're winning so much. Okay? The minute you're on the real account, your psychology starts coming into play and your emotions are coming into play. And That's then when you start losing a lot now. Okay, and then that starts breaking you down more and more, and it just messes more with your emotions, more with your psychology. That's why I say to guys, train yourself on a live account. Train yourselves on challenges. You need to put your own money into the market. Okay, you need to lose your own money. You need to feel that over and over and over and over again. Okay, it's so important. It's extremely important. 2K on that trade, exited most already. It's sweet as one. Finney, bro, made $2,000 on this trade. That's insane work, dude. Get the hell out of that, bro. Well done, my guy. Well done, my guy. I'm either gonna take a break even or I'm gonna win big. But guys, this was a beautiful trade. This was an insane trade. Super nice trade. Did I say thank you already? Bro, you don't need to say thanks, man. You don't need to say thanks, brother. What a gem. Thank you, Cam. Bro, I know a little about EMA. Thanks. Again, we're going to win, Camera. Sarvesh, bro, you know the vibes, man. You know the vibes. Are you live? Bro, I'm on a live account. What's your name? Ricardo. Brother, yeah, this is a live account. It's a funded $200,000 account with Funder Pro Futures, bro. It's my, I've got two 200k accounts that I swap between. They're funded. I don't copy trade them though. Because depending on how I'm feeling that day, I'll put more risk on one. Like this account, I'm putting high risk on it, bro. Like 35 micros is a lot. Also, because with Funder Pro Futures, guys, you get a $6,000 drawdown, which is, you know, super nice. It's a very big drawdown. So I have a lot of leverage to work with. Had the wrong 8 team selected, still made 400, but could have made a lot more. Bobby, bro. It's alright, bro. There's always another trade, man. There's always another trade. How many micros you trading? Bro, as you can see, oh, you can't see it now because I covered it. 35 micros. Bro, you don't take partials? No, I don't. I used to take partials, but not anymore, guys. I don't take partials anymore. I'm either all out or I'm all in. Like, bro, you have a longer trading session or streaming session today? I do. Today is a special stream, guys. Today is a special stream. I'm streaming all the way into New York session with you all. I might need a quick little 10-minute break just before, halfway, to have a quick little energy snack. But yeah, I'm streaming all the way into New York session with you guys today. All the way. Today's going to be a biggie. I do think that we are going to have a very good move this New York session, which I'm open to potentially looking into to trade. But I'll see the closer we get to the time, for sure. For sure. See what's happening now. You notice how, guys, we're pulling back now, right? This for me, this would affect me back in the day. Like I would be like, oh my god, I'm getting out. But now I just understand the edge I have and my strategy that this can happen a lot. Have a pullback before continuing. So whether I get taken out at a break even or not, that's okay with me. I'm not gonna let that eat me up alive. I'm okay with that. That's why I said to you guys in the beginning, take your profits, guys. If you're satisfied, take your profits. Like, take that shit, man. Take that shit. Yeah. That is a very big rejection though, if I'm going to be honest. Let's see, guys, if we can hold. We're either going to come back up into EMA and continue lower, or price is just going to reverse from where it is currently. So, yeah. I'm keen to, like, I'm okay with taking the risk, guys. I'm okay with losing my profit on this trade. I'm not losing money. And this isn't a loss, so just a break even, guys. A break even is still a win because you're not losing your actual money at the end of the day, so. Break even trading can happen sometimes, bro. Ricardo, I want to get a new 50k account, but I'm still deciding on Blue Guardian or Funded next. What would you do? Brother, I wouldn't recommend any of those prop firms, bro. Ricardo, I wouldn't even I would never put my money into those prop firms, bro. Personally, that's me, man. That's me, dude. There's a reason I'm trading live Fund Pro Futures with you guys. I've been trading Fund Pro Futures for 1 year. And there's a reason. There's a reason. They pay me out in like 1 to 2 hours. I've never had a problem with anything, bro. And there's uncapped payouts. Everyone's got the, oh, guys, I might get a BE on this trader. I might get a break even on this trade. Everyone got their own opinions about props, but that's cool. That's absolutely fine, bro. There are some very good prop firms out there. There are some very good prop firms out there, futures. I do trade with another futures prop firm as well. I do trade with Top Step as well. If you don't take partials, then why not trade minis instead of micros? Bro, no reason, man. There's no reason. I started out trading futures with micros and I've just stayed on them, bro. I don't know. There's no reason. It makes no difference to me whatsoever. Cambam, warning Fundapro. What do you mean, bro? How long have you been trading? How long did it take you to become? Bro, I've been trading for almost 8 years now. Going into 8 years, I've been trading. It's been a long journey. Definitely been a rough journey. I've been profitable now just over 3 years. Like, I'm talking consistently profitable over 3 years now. Yeah. But this last year's been crazy for me. Like, this last year that we've been through has been absolutely wild. I've been extremely consistent, and the more I adjust my strategies and everything like that. But yeah, I've been profitable. I've been trading for 7 years, been profitable for 3. Cambam, you're saying Fundapro has a very bad trust pilot. Brother, let me tell you right now, dude. I completely disagree to whatever trust pilot must say, because my experience has been unbelievable. A lot of traders, guys, that I've noticed, and come on, I'm just going to tell the truth right now. A lot of traders that blow their accounts, they blame the prop firm for that. They always blame the prop firm, bro. They always blame the prop. I've seen it, man. I've seen it, bro. Like, they don't follow the rules. They breach the rules, and then they get banned for some reasons, but etc. And then they blame the prop firm when in fact the prop firm's playing by the contract that those traders end up signing. So yeah. I've never run into one problem with Fundapro. I've never run into a problem. I'm in South Africa, so I'm limited on prop firms allowed in the country. Bro, there are a lot of prop firms that I know. I'm from South Africa as well, actually, by the way. I live in France. You can trade Fundapro futures in South Africa. There's a lot of future firms that you can trade in South Africa, brother. There's a lot. You need to do your research a bit more on that one. It's hidden gems. Yeah, you're right. That's common practice, especially on X and Trustpilot. Yeah, guys, on Twitter and on Trustpilot, most of them are just people upset, bro, because they blow their accounts trading, or they have no more money left to keep buying more accounts. I'm telling you, bro. I think some people, yeah, whatever. I'm moving on from this topic anyway. Yeah. Price is testing, ain't it, man? Price is testing. Guys, if this takes me to break even, we still got a whole entire session ahead. I will be opening to take in another trade again anyway. So let's see, man. Let's see. We did have such a nice push down. I hope this EMA does something though, if I'm going to be honest. I won't lie, guys. I've got a feeling this is going to tap me out, and then it's going to reverse and go back down now. Yeah, I'm not going to move my stop though, guys. I'm not going to be that guy that does it. I'm just going to let whatever happens, happens. This is trading in it. I'm not going to move my stop loss. I put it at break even for a reason. I don't like how we are. I don't want to see price trade above this EMA and then close back below and then we start selling off. But if that happens, I'm going to then probably re-enter this short again. It is what it is, isn't it? So either price is going to reverse and then drop again, and then I've just got extremely lucky I didn't get wicked out. This is why futures is great, guys. If you were on a CFD account right now, you would have been stopped because of spread. It's facts though. It's facts though. I get your point, but you cannot deny that these people complaining are very specific with their issues. Listen, David, bro, I honestly don't care, brother. I don't care. I'm not here to debate that type of ridiculous topic. Like, I honestly don't care. I'm here, I make money. Does not affect me whatsoever, bro. I've been around this long enough to know what's bullshit and what's not bullshit. But, yeah. If you knew what happened with the markets towards the end of last year, a lot of prop firms, bro, banned a lot of people. Trust me, bro. One of my friends were banned from one of the biggest prop firms in the space because of the prop firms. Yeah. Anyways, that's me out for break even. That's me out for break even, guys. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Still a W for those that actually took their profits. Well done, man. That's still a really, really beautiful win. That's still a really beautiful win. I think there's only 9 firms that don't cater for South Africa. Plenty out there. Take us look around. Yeah, bro. The reason a lot of firms don't cater for South Africa, well, a lot of African countries aren't catered for. I think it's because of scammers, bro. I think I'm from South Africa. I know there's a lot of people in Africa that scam a lot of firms. So that's why some of them are restricted. Let's see, guys, what are we gonna get? I mean, this trade is closing back above EMA and potentially. So now in this scenario, when price obviously take me out of break even, and now this is when I can kind of go to a high time frame and I can start analyzing, okay, cool. What is going on? Why is price pulling back like that? That entry was really nice. So now it looks like price is trying to get back above to this level. Buyers are trying to test the sellers level again. So let's see if we can start closing back above. Maybe price wants to reverse. We did grab the lows to the left. So this could be a reversal, maybe back to the high. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever that short was that we took was a beautiful short. It was a really nice short though. It was a really nice scalp. Those that closed that short, big congrats, bro. I did say to you guys, take your profit if you're looking good on your side, for sure. Damn, I was up $1,700 to 0. Trading, I love trading. I love trading. H1 has weak rejections. What's Sorbet saying? H1 has a weak rejection. Oh, bro. This could set up for longs. If we get back above this level, like I said, we could, this is where, if we're above this level, I'll look for longs. If we're below this level, I'll look for shorts. End of story. The 4 hourly. Guys, the gem I'm dropping today is going to be on the 4 hourly. It's a 4 hourly gem. Yeah, okay. The 4 hourly could, if this 4 hourly starts breaking its current high, that could also be a sign we could push. Ooh, I might have to switch bias, guys. I might need to go from sells into longs, huh? That's something you need to do as a trader. You need to adjust to what the market's currently telling you. Instead of... I am a cricket fan. Does South Africa have cricket? Well, South Africa does have cricket, but it's not as big as rugby. Huh? Rugby is the big sport there. Damn. I hate cricket though. Cricket is probably one of the most boring sports I've ever in my life played. I just... golf, I like golf though. Okay, this 15 minutes close back above EMA. So I think, guys, the safe bet would be is for wait for price. Instead of now taking a buy, because we are currently ranging, let's wait for price to break out of this range, break above our level, and then we can start looking to take longs. Alright? So we have so much time, guys, together. We have, yeah. I'm gonna sit this one a little bit and wait for the most I want to wait for another clean setup. That entry short was clean, but this looks like a reversal to maybe go higher. So go to all-time highs with the sell side liquidity. Yeah, that was my Diego. That was my original idea. Was price to go back into highs. 3.5k on the day. Swap to longs on that bottom hammer. Now to jump. Thanks, bro. We'll see you at the open. Finny, well done, brother. Super nice. 3.5k on the day is insane work, bro. That's a person's whole month's salary this guy just made, guys. And yeah, see you at the open. I'm gonna be, guys, I'm streaming right until the New York Open. So which Funded Pro accounts do you go with? I trade Funded Pro Futures, brother, and I just trade 200k accounts. The reason I trade the 200k accounts is because, brother, they're super affordable. It's $250 or something like that. And then if you use my code 5am Club, you get it for even cheaper. You have $6,000 in drawdown, bro. Do you understand how many losses you need to take in order for you to blow those accounts? It's a lot. So in order to blow a 200k account, you need to be really stupid, bro. And you can make so much money off a 200k account, guys. The beginning of last week, I took a $4,000 payout on a 200k account. I traded it for 5 days. I took a 4k payout. It was all live on stream. Actually, there's a reel. I posted a reel on my Instagram of the request. And I received it in 1 hour, bro. Alan Husky, I love you too, bro. I love you so much, man. She's a runner. She's a track star. This support and resistance. No, this is not support and resistance. It's a key level, brother. It's a key level. I went over it the other day in the previous stream. Good, you exited with break even. Yep, I took out a break even, brother. Guys, who wants to meet my, I don't know, there's so many new viewers. Have you, none of you, okay, give me a moment. I'm going to let you meet someone. Come on. Say hello. This is Bailey, guys. Say hello, my sweet. Oh. Say hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. She's a puppy, guys. She's 4 months old. Come on. Guys, check this 5 minute. I'm so tempted to. The new hourly's opened. So we had this 5 minute close back above. This hourly's pulled back and rejected. Yeah, okay. Sorry guys, I'm just focused on what the chart's currently doing. You're right, but what about disc golf? Bro, disc golf? You know where I live, they do disc golf here, man. Like, there's a forest and there's like just golf nets everywhere. I've never played it. Looks fun though. I'd like to try. Is there any plans without an activation fee? Maybe. Maybe not, bro. I can't say. This is Thunder Pro Futures, bro. IB Sterling. Yeah. Come on. Candle closures are so crucial, guys. See, this is why I said, look how we're getting. Fuck, if this thing drops right now, guys. Took me out of break even, and now it's getting back below this EMA again. I had this feeling it was going to do this. I won't even lie. That's why I went quiet and I was thinking. I was like, should I take the risk and move my stop loss back? But no. I'm not an emotional trader. I am not an emotional trader. I'm trading NQ right now, IB Sterling. Yo. I can't see it, maybe. Oh, I won't even lie, guys. These markets right now are messing with my head because I feel like this could be another entry short. If this 5 minute closes, this could be another entry short. Am I forcing a trade because I have FOMO, or is it my strategy that I'm following? Check this drop. It's my strategy though, isn't it? It's coming off this key level back below EMA. Yo, this is my strategy. It's not even FOMO, guys. It is the plan that I trade every single day. So I like this pullback closure back below. This could be a potential lower high. Do you know what I mean? That price is put in. This 5 minute needs to slow the hell down. It's moving too fast though. It needs to slow down so it at least gives me a good risk to reward. It's got 3 minutes to just slow down. Might enter another short, guys. I'm just waiting. I am just waiting. For the new guys on stream, guys, we're on 50 likes, man. That's insane. Can we get it back to 100? Guys, we got 100 likes on stream yesterday. If we can get over 100 likes, I'll do another giveaway next week. As you guys know the drill, the more love you show me, it makes me want to keep giving back to you guys. So if we can get over 100 likes a stream, I'll give away another 2 accounts next week. And we're going to do a duck race this time. Spin the wheel is so shit. Next week, we're going to do a duck race. Like a duck race with like 100 ducks. I can't believe price is just dropping now after taking me out of break even. To be fair, guys, that's still a win though. That is still a beautiful trade that I did take. I'd still consider that as a win. I went break even a little bit too early, I think, but it's okay. It's all right. I haven't lost anything today, so. Diego, brother, this thing is gonna drop, bro. I can see this thing wanting to drop, dude. Well, let's see if I'm right or wrong, but yeah, dude, this pullback was crazy, bro. It took me out and I was freaking... But it's trading, dude. In my 7 years of trading, do you know how many times this has happened to me, dude? I can't even count anymore. Like, thousands of times where as you go break even, price will come to you, take you, and then up, and then move to your take profit after. It's trading. It happens to so many people all the time. Sam Paul, good morning, brother bear. Sammy. Not a surprise it's bouncing from 50 EMA. It's still so bearish. Yeah. I don't pay attention to the 50 EMA though. I just focus on my 9. Yo guys, this thing is gonna absolutely tank it. I think we're gonna drop, I won't even lie. I'm gonna take the next... Take this at your own risk, huh? If you're gonna take this trade with me, take it at your own risk, guys. Take this trade.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in. Second entry, let's see. Second entry, let's see, guys. Let's see, guys. Let's see, chat. Reason taking this, we are close. We pulled back higher. This, I'm looking at this as a potential lower high, and now we close back below EMA to go short again. Hey brother, I'm new to the stream. Bro, welcome to the team. I'm telling you right now, you've joined the best winning team of all time. You've joined the best winning team. We're trading NQ, bro. We are trading Nasdaq. Just wait for the 30-minute closure. Price might not make the new low. Then it will reverse. Alright. Maybe. Kevin, maybe. But that's, I trade based off the 15-minute. And I trade based off the 5-minute, bro. Yeah. And to be honest with you, brother, I'm following my rules. I'm following the strategy. I execute the same plan as I execute every single day live on stream. So it's, yep. I say to myself, if I get this trade wrong, it's cool. It's just a trade. It is just one trade. If any of you entered this again and you take a win, that's 2 wins. I swear to God, you guys better stop trading for the day, bro. You guys better stop trading for the day. But yeah, I mean, if you're going back to your question, the 30 minutes, like you can wait for the 30 minute to close. Nothing wrong with that. The thing is that I'm thinking risk to reward here. Like, I'm also thinking of my 5-minute time frame. Like, by rules, I need to wait for that 5-minute time frame to close back below and then I enter. That's just by my rules, by my plan. If price wants to now bounce and freaking go back up to my stop loss, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. I'm prepared to lose about $3,000 today on this account alone. So, which is... For me, it's okay. Like, you know, I have a lot of drawdown on this account, so. But we're not going to lose this trade. I'm not going to lose this trade, though. This one has to win it. This one has to win. This was the pullback to go lower, so this has to be the win. Kevin, no doubt, bro. I love your strat. Brother, I appreciate it, man. This strat's your guy's strat now if you want to use it. And the reason I think so many people love the strategy, the wiggly worm, the reason being is because it's so simple. Like, I think that's what people can relate to it, because they're like, oh my God, this is actually so simple. Like, why have I been trading all this other shit? Like, this is so simple. You know? And it works super well. We're currently on 10 wins, 3 losses. Although, guys, I do want to count the previous trade as a win because a lot of you took your profits. but it was a break even, so for me. But I can say 11 wins, because I know a lot of you guys on the trade we took just now was a win. A lot of you did take your profits and made a lot of money on that one, so that should be considered as a win. But I'm not going to put it down as a win. Reason being is I didn't take the win. I need to take the win. I'm going to look at this like count right now, and if it's still sitting in the 50s, we're going to have a real problem, chat. Yep, we're 54 likes, and there is 100 of you watching the stream right now. Every single one of you guys, I love you all with all my heart. But you've disappointed me. You can't run up the like count right now. Just smash that like button, please. Click it just one time. Do it for your boy Cam. Today's an extra long stream. I won't even lie, guys. This stream is growing at a rapid pace. So it's unbelievable. I was talking to someone yesterday, like, the community and of all of you guys is unreal. I did not expect this, guys. And the more I trade with you guys, I just can't wait to come back again tomorrow. Like, it's amazing. I feel like we are really growing into something special that hasn't been done. If Apple rips, it can carry NQ with it. Brother, I don't know, to be honest, bro. I'm just following the strategy. Once again, if you're going to start looking at all these other things, that's cool, go for it. But now you're overcomplicating what trading should be, bro. But that's cool. If that's what you want to do, absolutely, brother. That's 100% okay. Everyone's got a reason for things they do when it comes to trading, so... you are trading chop. Alright. I don't care, bro. If you think I'm trading chop, that's cool, brother. I traded chop yesterday and we won. I traded a chop the day before and we won. Like, it's okay, I don't care. Simphy, this is my third stream and I feel like I'm home, brother. I fucking love you so much, bro. So, excuse my swearing, but like, it's amazing, brother. I'm so happy you found a place where you feel like, you know, you could learn and trade with like-minded traders. Ace, the masked monster, bro. Welcome, brother bear. Welcome, bro, to the stream. Hope to see you here more often. Damn, okay guys, we are over 60 likes on the stream. That's amazing. Now we need to get to 70. So if you haven't liked it, hit that button right now. Okay, 15 did close back below. So let's hope that this current 15-minute candle, guys, does flip to go bearish, right? Let's see. Holy smokes. What? Oh, honestly, guys, I'm going to quit trading after this one. Where are you guys all from, by the way? Real question. For all the new people that have joined the stream, where are you all from? I'd love to know where you guys are all watching from. I know we have a lot. Yes, we have it. This is a real international stream. We have people from literally all over the world. Australia, England, South Africa, America, India. I find it always so interesting. UK, Chile, oh my word, bro, I did not expect that. That's insane. Romania, NL, I think NL's the Netherlands. Ohio, crazy, bro. London, Chicago, USA, Kenya, India, California. I would love to go to Cali, bro. I would love to go to California. I need to do that. Amsterdam. Oh, even Amsterdam, I'd love to go there and smoke up a J. Texas, I think. Canada, Durban, bro. I've been to Durban like twice in my life. Italy, India. Alex, bro, I've got an Italian passport, brother. That's how I'm living in France, dude. My mother's side is Italian. Houston, Texas. Bro, this trading is absolutely playing games with my mind, right? This is insane, dude. Let's hope it gives us that drop. Let's hope we have that drop, bro. I do have a lot of risk on this trade, so what my plan is, guys, if I hit a stop loss and I take a loss, I'm either going to do two things. I'm going to switch to my other 200k funded account, or I'm going to just stay on this one, bro. I don't even know, dude. I don't want to risk more than 2k on this account today, so I'm happy to, how much? I'm down 1,000. Shoot. Whatever, guys. Let's just let it rock and roll. If I take this loss, it's Gucci, bro. It's still good, man. It's good. I can't win them all. What's happening in this chat? Vinny, did it mitigate hourly fair value gap on the left? Bro, I don't even care, bro. Jeez. Fair value gap my ass, bro. Whatever, if it mitigated, whatever, bro. This, too complicated words for me. Don't bring this ICT rubbish into my chat, dude. I will ban you, bro, from this chat. One time and one time only. No, but for real, don't come. I'm gonna win this trade, bro. You're gonna see. I'm gonna win this trade because my strategy is the ICT of the ICT, bro. Like, this is the golden gem, though, that everyone in the world is gonna start trading soon. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Look at the win rate, bro. We have 10 wins, 3 losses. Unbelievable work. Unbelievable work, bro. Sorry to have said it, bro. On 1 hour. Is that weak demand zone? That's why it reacted. Brother, I don't even know, dude. I don't look at demand zones. I look at my key levels and I look at my EMA. I'm so happy streamers are finally exposing the ICT cult. David, let me tell you, brother. ICT, the guy that created ICT, whatever his name is, he actually owes me money, dude. I don't know what I think his name's Michael. The guy that teaches ICT, the ICT guru, he owes me about $10,000. Yeah. He owes me a lot of money, bro. Because when I did his mentorship, he said to me that, oh yeah, this is the strategy it's gonna change your life around. And then guess what happened? I deposited 10k, bro, and I lost it all. So he owes me money now, because that strategy is just a load of BS, bro. Which trading platform are you using? Ace, the Moss Monster, bro. I'm trading Funded Pro Futures, and the platform is Deep Chart. I'm trading on Deep Chart, bro. Is that a 21 EMA? Ricardo, it is a 9 EMA. AKA the Wiggly Worm, dude. The Wiggly Worm is only a 9 EMA, dude. It's only a 9 EMA. But damn, this trade is playing and it needs to go down so we can win. I won't lie, we are stuck a little bit in a little bit of a range, if I'm going to be completely honest though. But it's cool, guys. I can trade is ICT. Marcelo, get out of the chat, bro. Get out of the chat, bro. If I lose this trade, I'll start trading ICT. Okay? Thanks, mate. Is this because of the UX trading fees is low? 200 email on top. Can we consider the 5-minute candle as an inside candle? Yes, you can. You can consider it as an inside candle. It can be considered as an inside bar. Talking about the previous candle, bro. You can. Not the best one, but you can. It's kind of wicking a little bit out the previous candle, but that can be considered as an inside bar for sure. But an inside bar plays better when it's fully inside the body. I trade the 9 and 20 on EMA cross. It's been quite good to me. Bro, that's amazing. As long as you have the 9 EMA, you're going to make a lot of money, dude. Why does the 9 and 21 EMA mean? It means if you trade with the 9 EMA, it means that you are going to make a lot of money, bro. That's what it means. ICT is doing for free though. Why that? Cassie 9066. If you heard what I said that I deposited $10,000 believing that ICT was the holy grail of strategies. Because that's what he told everybody. Okay. So I lost 10 grand because I trusted and I believed that ICT was the holy grail of strategies, when in fact it's definitely not. I did not pay $10,000 mentorship. And it was a joke, by the way, that he has to owe me money back. Obviously he doesn't owe me any money. I deposit that at my own risk. ICT is rubbish, but ICT is Kyle. Bro, that's so fucking good, bro. That's such a good, I like that. ICT is great, bro. I love ICT. I'm so excited for my session. Gonna get some good trades. Oh, New York session. Yeah, bro, let's see. To be honest, I thought we were gonna get a good trade already by now. I mean, there was a good one that we took just now that I got stopped out of break even, but yeah, now I'm just kind of getting chopped up a bit right now. But let's see, this trade is still valid. What's the 15 doing? Well, the 30 minutes about to close as well. Yeah, 15 is holding below EMA as well, guys. The 15 is holding below EMA. If this, guys, if this 50-minute candle closes in 2 minutes, we have then made an inside bar. We're about to make a 15-minute inside bar. So if that low breaks, price should drop. According to science. According to the Wiggly Worm. Price should drop if this 15-minute inside bar gets broken. But other than that, it is still valid for sells. I don't have any confirmation to buy this yet. What's your opinion on tick charts? Specifically, I don't trade tick charts, bro. Honestly, my anxiety goes through the roof when I start trading a tick chart, bro. It moves too much for me. I don't like it. They mean nothing, but everyone trades off them, so they sell. Good session, man. Thanks for your advice. You're welcome, Casey. You are welcome. Come back tomorrow, bro. goose. Okay, I'll see you now. Huh? Hi, my sweet. Hi. All right, guys. Bailey, the little princess of the stream, the co-host. She's a real sausage. I don't know if you guys can see. Look here. Guys, so far so good. Let's really hope that this drops. Let's hope that this drops. Check my sausage. I don't know if you can see. Say hi. Say hi to the chat. No, don't bite my finger. Look here. Look here. Guys, this is my baby. She's 4 months old now. I love her with all my heart. Come, Dudu. Come, Sleepy. Come. Okay. So the 30 minutes, just so looking back in the 5 minute, guys, notice how we went above EMA. We've closed back below. We broke that 5 minute inside bar. Let's see the 15 minute now. What's the 15 minute saying to us? Okay, that 15 minute, guys, has created an inside bar. Okay, so theoretically, according to the strategy, if we can break this previous 15 minute low, price should drop. Price should drop if we can break this 15 minute low, according to the system that we trade every single day. Okay, now I can't make promises, but yeah, I can't make promises, but yeah, we just need to see what happens. I just hope this 15 minute candle flips and goes red. That's something I would like to see, but other than that, let's just be patient, guys. Let's just be patient and see if we can get this, because this will be a big win, guys. If this thing drops, it'll be a very, very big win. $3,000 win I'm talking here. It's gonna drop though. You guys know the drill. You know the drill, bro. You know the drill, bro. Okay, here we go. Go down. I had that dog I love as well. Are you trading NQ? I am trading NQ. I am trading Nasdaq 100, bro. I'm trading Nasdaq 100, bro. NQ, just do it for us, bro. Just do it for the guys on stream. Just drop. Just drop. The guy that said I'm crazy for trading, chop. Show him how it's done, man. Guys, we're almost on 100 likes of the stream. If you're new to the stream, guys, drop a like. Drop a like on stream. If we can get over 100 likes on stream, on Monday, I'm going to do a duck race to win future accounts. Okay, I'll do a giveaway, and we're going to do a duck race. Okay, we'll do maybe 3 accounts. Maybe I'll give away 3 accounts, but we'll do a duck race if we can get the stream over 100 likes. If you can give to me, I'll give back to you. End of story. All right. So let's see. Let's see, man. That 15. Yo, guys, this trade is taking so long. This is a real intraday trade, isn't it? Okay, there we have broken that 50-minute inside bar. Now price should start moving lower. Crossing fingers, touching the wood, that price should start moving lower. But at the same, what's a 30-minute done? 30-minute was a bearish closure as well. We had a big bearish closure on the 30-minute. Nah, guys, this could be something. We just have to be patient, right? Obviously, today isn't giving us that immediate volume we've been getting. But yeah, let's just give it some love and let's just, you know, be patient with the trade and not overthink it right now. Let it just do its thing. My main time frame, bro, my main time frame is 5 minutes for entry, right? But I jump between the 5 minute, 15 and the hourly. IB Sterling, he made a very, very, very good point. Almost all strategies work. It's just finding your own spin and edge in the strategy. That is so, so true. Guys, I think you can make money from any strategy. It all depends on you and your psychology behind that strategy. Psychology boosts the win rate of a strategy, right? Let me just say that again. I could give you a strategy with a 95% win rate, but if your psychology is not fixed the way it should be fixed, that 95 win rate will drop to a 50% win rate. I'm telling you right now. So any strategy can work if your psychology behind that strategy is, like, you know, powerful enough. The reason I don't like ICT, and guys, I'm tired of this ICT crap. Like, I want to move on from this topic. I don't like ICT because it's too complicated, bro. It's made trading so it's overcomplicated trading for what it is, and I think that you guys have seen me trade live every single day off a bloody EMA. And I've made thousands in front of you guys this last week. Thousands and thousands and thousands. And I already have a $5,000 payout lined up for me next week just on one account. So that's off an EMA. So yeah. But guys, to be honest, there's no need to have this debate in the chat. Like, it's cool, man. Let people have their opinions on ICT, blah blah. We don't care, bro. We don't care. Let's just focus on this trade because honestly, it's playing real games. My TP is at 27,500. 27,500 is my TP on this trade, but to be honest, Jesus, bro, we stuck in a little bit of a range right now. I really need to see NQ guys get below here. I need to see price close back below this area. Price is really holding this area. I need to see it get back below, bro. Steeler Beats, I use EMA 9, brother. I use the EMA 9. How many funded accounts do I trade? It depends. With Funded Pro Futures, I'm trading two 200k accounts that I switch between. And then I trade on Top Step, which I have 5 accounts that I'm copy trading. And then I have a personal account that I trade sometimes on all the time. Do I trade the same number of contracts every trade? I don't, Robert. Robert, I don't. I mix and match it, but the reason I've gone in with more contracts today because I've done so well all week and last week that I'm like, you know what? It's Friday. Let me just put a little bit more size on my trade today and try to get a nice win. I usually go in with about 20 micros, 20, so I've added an extra 10 on today. Only thing, brother, is you sold the lows. Oh no. Oh no, I sold the lows. Okay, and what's your point, bro? Last week we were buying the highs every single time and we kept making money. I don't care, bro. Every time you're buying into all-time highs, you keep buying the highs, bro. But it's cool. I get where you're coming from, like in the sense of I sold the lows. Some people don't like that. That's cool. That's cool. No problem with there's no problem with that at all. Just me personally, brother. Like, I'm just following my strategy, bro. I can't be thinking to myself, oh, I sold the high, or blah, blah, blah. Like, bro, if my strategy says sell, if my strategy says buy, I do that. I don't want to start adding all these other things, because if I start adding all these other things, oh my god, we add a low, we add a high, like, it just messes up my win rate, bro. It messes up my psychology, and I don't like that. I have 150k evaluation. Can you please suggest how to go about trading it? I know it's a personal thing, but bro, you don't want to know my advice when it comes to trading and evaluation, because I trade evaluations, I full port them, bro. I'm not going to beat it around the bush and pretend that I don't. I literally I try pass evaluations as quick as possible. And as a person live streaming, I'm not promoting it that way. I'm just telling you the truth. Like, I put a lot of risk behind my evaluations because I hate evaluations. I waste my time in them. I've been doing them for so many years that now it's like, when if I take a really good trade in evaluation, bro, and I make no real money out of it, it irritates me, man. I'm like, damn, that could have been a real account. And then I'm like, so me, I like to get out of evaluations as quick as possible. People call them eval jails, evaluation jails, and it's true. It's like you're stuck in this environment where you can actually make no money out of. I think that it's best for me personally to get out of an evaluation and onto the funded account. And then when I'm on the funded account, I manage my risk accordingly. You need volume to break this. All right, bro. Listen, I'm going to say something. If you guys are going to come on the stream and tell me what you think I'm doing wrong, or it doesn't matter, you're more than welcome to leave the streamer. I'm not here. I'm here to trade, and the guys that have been here for over a week now, yeah, they know. They've seen the results, right? I don't need people coming on here telling me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm like. It doesn't matter. I honestly don't care, and you're gonna realize I just don't care. Like, I just don't care. I trade my strategy still the way it should be traded. End of story. So yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Nas is consolidating. Yeah, Sarvesh, it is ranging a bit, but it's cool, man. It's what it is. It's trading, isn't it? Aussie trader, bro. Listen, my guy, I love you so much. I don't need any of you to have my back against the guys that come in here and start wanting to give their 2 cents or their advice on my strategy, bro. I don't need to prove anything to anybody. My results speak for itself at the end of the day, and I'm very humble with it as well. Like, I've come in here and I give you guys so much information because I love you all so much, and you guys all of you appreciate it so much, and like, I love that about it, you guys. You know, you appreciate what I show, you appreciate what I give you, and it just makes me want to keep giving back. And get your own stream, there says. Yeah, Captain Price, we are, let's see, this could be the drop. This could be the drop. We've made another previous 5-minute inside bar below EMA. Let's see if this is going to be the drop. It's been a phenomenal week. I've been full porting evals and blowing them. Lost heaps of money. So scared to do that again. So grateful for this giveaway. So I don't want to be careless. Yeah, I'm not saying full port your account, bro. I didn't say do that. So it's up to you, bro. It's normal to have, you know, fear after losing so many accounts onto your new one. That is extremely normal. Don't think it's not normal. Me, I had that problem as well. I was so stuck with the fact that, oh, I'm gonna lose this, I'm gonna lose this. You need to forget about your past and move on. The minute you start holding on to your mistakes and things in the past, you're going to struggle to move on and start good habits. You need to get rid of you need to forget, bro. You need to forget, and don't be hard on yourself, bro. Results day by day, jumping high. Yeah, bro. Cam told them to get. I don't need to tell them, bro. I don't need to tell them, dude. I'm not a rude guy. I've never told them that. There's a reason they're watching the stream, and that says enough. That says enough. They're here for a reason, bro. The haters or the people judging the things I do live are all here for a reason, bro. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. What do you think about trading NQ in London session compared to... I think trading NQ in London session can be very good. I've seen really good movements in London session NQ. The open in New York session, bro, it's horrible, man. I think it can be disgusting. Like, New York session is built for traders to lose, bro. I think prop firms love New York session because that's when all the traders come in to trade that New York session, and they just gamble their accounts and they lose them. So New York session is just very manipulated. So yeah, there's high risk on that session, I think, personally. I did, however, trade it yesterday and I took a really nice win. It's very rare I will trade New York session. It is very rare I'll trade New York session though. It is very rare. Damn, guys. If we get a 15-minute candle close back above EMA, guys, I'm going to look to probably exit, right? Let me just cut some risk off the table, not risk the full 1,700. I'll probably cut, if the minute we get the 15 close back above EMA, I'm going to probably close. But until then, yeah, there's no need to close anything. The new 50-minute candle's also just opened and price is still rejecting EMA on the 5 minutes. So the next 5-minute candle is going to tell a big story, I think. So we need to wait for that next 5-minute candle, guys. It's important. If you're winning, get ready to get... Yeah, brother. Exactly, dude. Exactly, bro. If I'm winning, they're going to start hating. NQ to the floor. NQ to the effing floor, bro. Watch this thing drop so hard, guys. Watch it happen, bro. Say it out loud. But damn, I'll be honest, I'm so over this trader. I'm so over this trade. It's been playing games like... I don't even care if I lose at this point, I'll be honest. Like, if I lose a trade, I just don't even care. Like, it's been playing too long now. Like, I'm over it. Reduce the size and hold. No! I'm not gonna do some pussy stuff. Oil dropping. Oh! Oil's dropping. You guys are going crazy on the stream. Guys, come on, let's hit 100 likes. And I'll do a giveaway next week. We have to get over 100 likes and I'll do a nice giveaway next week for you all. Pretty please. Pretty please. If we hit 100 likes, I'll take that as a win though. Pretty please. NQ! Come on! Much respect to whoever trades on stream. More power to you, bro. Yeah, trading on stream is honestly, it's tough, especially to having to please everybody. But I'm kind of over that point now. I've just come on, and I'm like, let's start a family, bro. Let's start a family, and let's just be so real and raw. That's something that I'll always do, no matter what. I'll always be so real and so transparent and so open and raw when it comes to taking trades live in front of all of you. I will never, ever, ever, ever do shady stuff. I'll never hide the truth of anything. I'll always be very transparent and show you that even though, like, you know, I make money, I'm profitable, I can still go through the things that some of you guys probably go through, which is the difficult part, which is the losses, which is the controlling the emotion, controlling the risk management, like, you know. So maybe you guys seeing this live every day is going to start helping you with the fact that what you might be going through now in trading is normal. Win or lose, doesn't matter. What's up, bro? How long have you been trading futures? Bro, I've been trading futures for 1.5 years. I was CFD trader before, and then I got onto futures. Futures was where it changed though for me. Futures is where it completely changed for me though, big time. I saw the lows all time depending on the structure, also by the highs. Let's see, guys. We had this 5-minute close back above EMA. We need to see this thing get back below EMA, guys. I'll be honest. Oh, Allah. You know what, guys? I'm going to take the L or I'm going to take the win. I'm just going to let this thing run. Whatever. It is what it is. I'm going to let it run. I'm not going to run away from a loss. Whatever. I'm not going to run away from this. Also, this account, I'm already up in profit anyway. So if I take this loss, it doesn't affect me much anyway. So it's alright. I did take this with a lot of risk, understanding that I could lose. So if you accept the probability of your strategy and you can accept the fact that there's still a % that you can lose, don't be upset when you lose. Okay, very important. That's a psychology tip for you guys. Accept the fact that every time you click buy or you click sell, there's still that probability you're going to lose, right? It just depends whether those probabilities are on your side or not on that specific trade. I saw the what's been your biggest trade? Our biggest Simphy, my biggest trade I've ever had was a $9,000. Okay, it depends. Prop firm, it was $9,000. On a personal account, it was $22,000 trade on a personal. My biggest payout I've ever had was on Top Step. I had a payout of $25,000. That was my biggest payout I've had, which is a max payout, yeah. And then my biggest month I've ever had was in February. It was just over $100,000 in payouts. That was from prop firms, Fundapro Futures, Top Step, and a personal combined. Yeah, but that's obviously, you know, I don't go putting that out there. You ask, so I'll tell you the truth, right? Do I have a referral? Bro, yeah, if you click the link, I pinned in the chat. I think it's there. In the chat, I've pinned a link that you can click that link and then you can sign up to Fundapro Futures, brother. And then you can actually use code 5am club which is at the top of the screen, and you can get yourself a really nice discount if you decide to take a futures account. Trading over 1 year, no payout. Come close, bro. Let me tell you right now, it took me 3 years to get my first payout. It took me 3 bloody years to get my first payout trading. Don't worry, dude. Honestly, if you were close to getting your first payout in 1 year, that's unbelievable. And when I started trading, there was no prop firms, bro. Prop firms were barely a thing at the time. They just kind of came out. Trading of a Kid Rock cousin. Okay, here's a guy telling me, let's see what Kid Rock is. Let me Google Kid Rock, chat. Let me Google Kid Rock. You guys are crazy, bro. Kid Rock, okay, guys. This is hilarious, bro. Okay, so we have someone in the chat. We have someone in the chat saying that I look like Kid Rock, and this is Kid Rock. This guy's crazy. To be fair, that kind of does look like me a bit, I feel. Yo guys, honestly, what the hell is going on? Like, this is wild, bro. Every time price is like, oh, we're gonna go down, it's like, nope, Cam, we're going up. We're going up. Yo, but to be fair, this 15 is holding. What's the 1 hourly doing? Guys, this hourly candle's about to close and it's going to be a bearish closure. So this next hourly candle could do something. This next hourly candle could do something. Let's hope it does something for us. I'm just, right now, I'm like, whatever. Yeah, let's hope we get it, man. I truly apologize for this price action, guys. I truly apologize for this price action. Usually by now we would have been out of a trade and had a beautiful win. I did not expect such choppiness, but that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're going. I think volume might start coming in now with this New York session. So slowly creeping up on us. Just have to be patient, team. We swept London and Asia lows already. Okay. Alright, you're right. But like I said, I could be wrong on this trade. And if I'm wrong, I honestly do not care. We've had 11 wins. I need to update it, guys. We've had 11 wins, bro. Like 11. Where do I update? You guys. Yeah, we've had 11 wins because that trade we took before was a win for majority of you. So I'm going to say 11 wins. I took a break even on that one. But it was a win though, I won't even lie. So that's 11 wins. This could just, whatever, bro. 11 wins and 4, if this hits a loss, that's 4 losses, bro. I think it's so unbelievable, like. All in or nothing, bro. You know it. But don't go all in on your account. Yeah. For all the new people on stream, guys, let's get the like count over 100. So hit that like button, and if we can beat 100 likes this stream, every stream we beat in the record. And yesterday I gave away some accounts. So if we can beat 100 likes this stream, guys, I'm going to give away some accounts on Monday. Some future accounts. We're going to do a duck race. A duck race is actually such a good idea. It's so much fun. I saw someone doing it the other day. This might be a L, guys. This could be a loss. Let's see, man. But if it's a loss, it's cool. Do you know why it's cool? Because it's trading. It's trading. That's why it's cool, guys. Okay, I'm closing. I'm gonna close, guys.
Order filled.
It's alright. It's a loss. It's a loss for me. But it's okay. And do you know why it's okay? Because I'm still up so big with all the wins that we've had, and it's trading. We can't catch them all. So that's the fourth loss. So let me update the tally here. I'm not done yet though, guys. Four losses. 4 losses. Okay. Cool. Is what it is. We move on to the next trade, right? It's just a trade. There's no need to let that sit up on us. We still are looking very, very, very good. Yeah. That 15 closed above EMA, as I mentioned, and now it's having that push because we broke that high. So I think, guys, depending on what we're going to get now, if we can start pulling back up above this key level of mine and we can start closing, then we can start maybe looking for buys, longs, and we can follow the EMA and start scalping buys on that 5-minute off. Yeah, I'm trading New York session. I'm trading all the way into New York session, chat. I'm going all the way into New York session with you guys today. The reason being is because I took a really good trade in New York session yesterday and I was quite surprised. So I think today it's a Friday. We're going to go all the way up into New York session. I think, guys, I think every Friday I'm going to extend my stream into like a 4-hour stream. And then Monday to Thursday, we just stick to the our normal time. You're not a real trader until you need to end up on a win and revenge trade till you blow up your account. What? So I'm not a real trader. I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not going to revenge trade, bro. It's just a loss. I'm using 9 and 21 EMA. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, bro. Careful trading on, yeah. Bro, listen. Cody, I don't ever trade New York session, barely. I did say the other day it's probably the shittest session you could ever trade. I think New York session is just a load of BS. But this is my opinion personally. I think that too many traders lose on New York session because of the manipulation and the fake outs, etc. I'm just, you know, I'm just dabbling. Like, it's okay. I want to just creep up into the New York session and just see what's happening, you know. Maybe I don't take a trade, or maybe I do. I mean, I'm not limiting myself, you know, today. I want to see. I'm happy to, you know, because yesterday I had a phenomenal day, a win yesterday, and I didn't expect it. Today is Friday. I am aware it is Friday, and and it is the first of the month. So this is why two things are going to happen on New York session. We're either going to have a really big move, a beautiful move, or we're going to chop up. So I don't trade the first 15 minutes. Chat, we're 2 likes away from hitting 100k. I mean 100k, what the hell am I saying, bro? We are 2 likes away from hitting 100. So come on, if you haven't tapped that like button, tap it. Let's get over 100. We need to get over 100 likes, and I will do a giveaway Monday, Tuesday with you all. We're gonna do a duck race. I've been studying it recently to use it. I'm with Top Step as well. Yeah, bro, I'm also with them, man. I am also with them. I do think, guys, this month, I think next week we're going to have really, really good price action. Don't ask me why, but I know. I think we will. I think that this month is setting up for beautiful price action. I think we're going to make a lot of money this month, and I think we're going to win a lot. And the reason I say this is purely based on how last month closed and based on how the weekly has closed. I think next week is going to be unbelievable price action. And for the new people on stream, let me tell you why I say this. So let me go to the monthly time frame to have a quick little show. If you don't know yet, I trade EMA, okay? I trade the EMA, and I'm going to drop you some really valuable knowledge right now, okay? The fact price closed extremely bullish above EMA indicates that we are going to most likely be going higher, okay? There's no way that we are not going to keep going higher. We can have a pullback, but I don't see price coming to take out this low. There's a 90% chance that we're going to continue higher, okay? Based off the closure above EMA. Let me show you why I say this. What happened here? We got below EMA. When we had the first closure above, what happened? We rallied into the highs. Look here. As we were below EMA, as we were, can you guys see this, by the way? I don't know if you can see this. As we were below EMA, the first closure above, what happened? We rallied to the high. Yeah, so let me tell you right now, guys, that this could set us up for a very, very big move. Okay. I think we're going to look for really big buys coming up this month. Okay, we're pulling back into EMA, guys. We're pulling back into EMA. Tyler, been here 1 week and love it. Oh my guy, I love you so much, bro. It's amazing. It's honestly amazing to have people on the stream with me every day and loving it. It just makes, I can't wait for Monday, bro. Like, it just makes me so excited to come back for Monday. And I hope to see you here for a long time, brother. I hope to keep seeing you come back. This stream is not just live trading, guys. You have been learning so much knowledge with me on stream. This market's slower than shit, yeah, dude. Hello, first time on your stream. Which EMA do you use? Aaron, guys, let's give Aaron a big welcome. A warm welcome to the stream. Welcome, bro, to the Daily Show, my guy. EMA 9. I use the EMA 9. EMA 9. First time too. Oh, welcome, ER. I don't know what's your name. Some of your names are so odd. Welcome, brother. It's so nice to have you here too, my guy. Guys, shortly, what's the time? In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to start dropping a gem for you guys regards EMA. I'm going to, for the new people that have recently just joined the stream, I'm going to give you guys a golden nugget that is going to change your game completely when it comes to EMA trading. Okay, it's going to boost your win rate a lot. Trust me, trust me. So you have to just wait a bit more and I'll start dropping the gems soon for you guys. So let's go see how the hourly closed quickly. Yeah, guys, this is so annoying, isn't it? It's so annoying how we like getting stopped out left, right, and center in this range. We're in a range, so we actually can't. Whatever. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Let's just wait until we're either above this level or we break out of this range, and we can start looking for a new entry. I think that's going to be the safe bet, guys. I don't want to trade this anymore. Let's just wait a little bit more. First time here too and made 300 USD. Love the session. Oh my guy. Guys, that first trade that we took before this loss was unbelievable. I should have closed out. I was up $1,700, but you know what? I took the risk understanding that I could have taken that break even. So I accepted. It's okay. If you are there's a lot of newbies, guys. If you're a newbie and you're a first timer, stay on a bit more. I'm telling you right now that I'm going to give you guys a gem that's going to keep bringing you back. Just stay on the stream and drop a like, guys. Hit that like button if it's your first time and turn on your notifications. Turn on those notifications, all right? So you can come back every single day with the winning team. Bow. Holy smokes! This is why we aren't trading, guys. This is why we need to wait, okay? Look at this weird ass candle. So let's see, maybe if we can start closing above my key level, that's when we can start looking to take buys again. I don't know. Let's see, guys. Let's see. That's really taking off now, isn't it? It's cool. Let's what's the time? 15. So this next 50, yo guys, this could be a really big buy coming up maybe, because this 15 minute, if this 5 minute closes above this key level, then we can start looking for entries. Okay. Holy smokes, this is so extended. Manipulation candle. I was in profit around 70 points and then I was wiped in a split second. Yeah, brother. trade. Holy smokes, guys. And the thing is that even on a 5-minute time frame, there would have been no entry on this trade. Oh my god, that's really taking off. That's really taking off to the moon, guys. Yeah. Guys, to be honest with you right now, there's honestly, we can't trade this. We need to wait. There won't be an entry until we get a valid pullback. This could be a manipulation candle. Price could be spiking to make a potential higher low and then maybe come back. This is if we're going to take a trade right now, it's risky. Let's wait a bit more, guys. I would like to see price pull back into this level, respect EMA, hold this level, and then we can maybe buy back up. But yeah, maybe that's the plan. The plan is wait for price to come down into this level, reject EMA, close back above EMA, and then, as you guys know the rule, the minute we have the closure back above EMA, we can then maybe look to take a buy. But until then, nah. Wasn't hate, bro, but you see this shit now. I don't know what you're talking about, brother. Listen, I think I know what you're talking about. You know, bro, at the end of the day, right, trading is trading. We're gonna win, we're gonna lose, right? And if you can't accept that, then you might as well stop trading right now. And that's just a fact, bro. Like any big trader will tell you that probably. But yeah, you can tell me, you guys can come on the stream and they can tell me what they think. Your opinion will not change the outcome of what I do on the chart. All right? It won't. Aussie trade looks like a big stop hunt at the moment. Possibly, brother. Possibly. Right now, I don't even know. I can't say right now. This thing is this could be price trying to get higher. So this could be the break in structure higher. Buyers stepping back in, and now this is where we can potentially start looking for longs. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna drop a little gem for you guys quick, okay? Okay. EMA and how to use it. A lot of people don't understand how EMA works. I think a lot of people will see it, will see an EMA and what they will do. For example, if we look to the left, let me just make sure we can see this. People think in EMA, as long as we're below it, we're going to sell, right? For example, vice versa. That is true in a way. If we are below it, we're going to look for sells. But what I like to do with the EMA and why my win rate is so high is because there's this confirmation that I use with the EMA that confirms to me that price does in fact want to go lower, right? For example, I don't like to sell a tap of an EMA, right? I like to see price, if you look here to the left, I like to see price get above a EMA, and then the minute we close back inside of it, that is where I look to enter. I like to see price close back inside of the EMA. I don't like to see it come to it and just wick it. It does work like it does over here, for example, but for me, it's a lot more powerful when price will come out of it and then close back inside of it. Now, when price closes back inside of that EMA, you will then enter at the break of that candle that closed, for example. It's called a break of candle entry, okay? Notice how we traded outside of EMA and we closed back inside, okay? My entry would be at the break of that candle that closed back inside EMA. And your stop loss can go where you like, above the high, depending on yourself. That is a powerful entry criteria when it comes to trading Nasdaq. Okay, let's go to the left and look for some more examples. Here, notice how we're above, we close back inside. What happened after we closed back inside on this candle over here? We broke that low of the closure of that candle and we dropped. Okay, over here, notice how we selling off, we get above, we close back inside. Did the low break? It did not. So what happens? It gets back above, we close back inside again. Did the low break over here? Yes, it did. What happens when that low broke? We dropped. Simple now. And you can use the same for buying. Notice how we were below EMA over here. This candle closed above. What happened when this candle closed back above EMA? You take entry at the break of that high, and then you would have won that trade. Over here, notice how we dipped below. Oh, this was the buy I took yesterday, by the way. This was the buy we took. Was it the one we took yesterday? Oh no, it wasn't. I'm talking big shit. Notice how we dipped below. As this 5-minute candle closed back above, you will enter at the break of that candle high, and you would have won that trade. So this would have been, so let's just really narrow this down for you guys right now, so you guys can see the power. This, what the hell? This would have been a win at the break of the closure back above. This would have been a win, depending on where you put your stop loss on that one, obviously. That would have been a win. Let's find some more. No, that's choppy, horrible. Audible. Close back above. Choppy, this is out of session now there. Here we go. Here's another nice one. We dip below over here. We dip below. This 5-minute candle closes back above. You enter where? At the break of this candle's high that closed above that EMA. What happened then? Boom. Price just took off with literally. And the great part about this strategy, guys, is that there's usually zero drawdown on it, which is very, very nice. And this happens all the fucking time. Okay, let's go down here. Check here. Dips below, closes back above. What happens? We break that high, and then you will have your entry at the break of the candle that closed back above. Boom. Over here, guys, it's too easy. Look here, over here. Boom, close back above. Entry at the break of that 5-minute candle that closed back above. Boom. Over here, this was the sell I took yesterday, guys, on New York session. We closed below. My bias was bearish that day, right? Because we came into the 73,500 area as I was originally wanting yesterday. If you guys remember, go back in yesterday's stream. I wanted to see price come into the 73,500 area where we could look to short. Price came into the 73,500 area over here. Then we closed back below. I entered at the break of the candle that closed back below. There. So then what happened? Price triggered me in at the New York Open. And yeah, that was a beautiful trade yesterday. Jesus, crazy. Over here, I'm going to keep going on. As we were rallying. This was the buy we took yesterday, guys. So yesterday's buy was here. This was yesterday's buy together, guys. Over here. The one we all won on stream. Why? We were looking for longs. As we closed back above, after we dipped below, we closed back above. What happened? We took entry at the break of that 5-minute candle high that closed back above. We took the buy. Boom. And that's where we made our money yesterday. A great win. Then what happened after? We dipped below. We closed back above again. And you could have taken this other buy over there. Right? What happened? Boom, you could have won. Tell me right now that this is not the best strategy in the world. Okay, now I can look at the chat. I haven't seen the chat, guys. Okay, well, let me just go back to the chart quickly. It's the EMA 9, period 9. Which time frame do you use, especially for your entry? I use just the 5-minute for entry, but you can use the 15 for confirmation as well. What EMA is that on the 5? Guys, it's an EMA 9. EMA 9. Yeah, my strategy is the best of futures. I appreciate your message a lot, brother. I really appreciate that. It honestly, I think it's the best strategy for futures, bro. Because the minute price triggers you in after the closure above EMA, it's like, because our futures got no spread, you immediately put into profits with zero drawdown. Wow, I thought you said it will drop, but it's ripping now. You know what, bro? Whatever your name is, bro, you can exit the stream right now. I'm not asking you to be here, bro, but you're here for a reason. I did say it would drop, but guess what, brother? I'm a human being, I'm a trader, I can be wrong. I did not come on here and I said I'm the god of trading. How many times have you been wrong trading, bro? Let's just be honest right now. Let's put the cards on the table, dude. So yeah, I can be wrong. And also one last thing. Let me tell you one last thing, bro. If you read the bio, the description of the stream, it says this is not financial advice. I can be wrong at times. I also say it loud every stream. Okay. Anyways, I love you a lot. I appreciate you being here, brother. But yeah, it's that type of stuff that I'm just like, honestly, it's just so stupid, bro. Like. That's crazy, guys. We're over 100 likes. I'm going to try to get a giveaway for you guys on Monday. For sure. For sure, we're going to try to get a giveaway going on Monday. Yeah, exactly. 11 wins, 4 losses, by the way, bro, not 5, 4. 11 wins, 4 losses, brother. I don't need, numbers speak, results speak for themselves, bro. Here I am, hours on stream with you guys, giving you so much knowledge for absolutely free. That's unbelievable. There's the people that come on here and appreciate it all. I love that about everybody, bro. It's so nice. And then there's guys that just honestly also whatever, bro. Captain Singh, you're welcome. I appreciate that, bro. Really cool music. Yeah, I mean, I've been streaming for what, 2 weeks now, and I've been trying to put together something that, you know, really enjoyable for you guys to watch. I think that's the most important about, you know, having a daily stream, is that it needs to be set up in a way that you guys are enjoying the show. That's why I've called it the Daily Show. That's why I've called it the Daily Show. I watch your stream every day because you open my eyes and make trading easy. Jeez, bro. I freaking love you, bro. Honestly, man. Like, that's the whole point why I've started the stream, is just to show you guys how easy trading can actually be. You know? You are going to lose. I removed my comment because you seem so sensitive. Okay, bro. Alright. News of Iran proposal sent that candle soaring. Not much you can do about it when trading. It will come back down. Anyway, sorry. Anyway, sorry and good luck. Bro, you're so bloody weird, bro. This guy, Sahula, whatever his name is, he's so weird, bro. Such a weirdo, dude. I appreciate you streaming as well. I don't think I could ever do it. How long have you been trading? Brother, I've been trading for almost 8 years, 7 to 8 years now. I've been profitable consistently for 3 years. Out of these 3 years, I've probably had 3 red months out of these 3 years. So I would say I'm consistent, bro. I would say I'm profitable. I've just had 3 red months out of these 3 years of trading. So I would, yeah. So I would say 3 years consistent. And also, yeah, streaming in a big audience, it's yeah, you know, you need to pull up your socks and you need to just, yeah. It's not the easiest thing, but I love it. I think once you start enjoying streaming, like, I love it. It really becomes extremely enjoyable. Today, any payout? No, brother, no payout today. Not on my Funded Futures accounts, but on my Top Step accounts tomorrow, yes. Funded Future, I think I'll get a payout next week on my future accounts. I think I'm gonna take a payout next week Friday on my Funded Future accounts, guys. I'm trying to build a big buffer, guys. My goal is to get moved to daily payouts, right? So I'm trying to build a big buffer so I can have a good drawdown. Cool, nice, that's consistent. I just became profitable in January, but I think it was mostly luck. I've blown a few accounts. Yeah, bro, it doesn't matter. You can be profitable, you're still gonna blow accounts. It does not mean you're not profitable, bro. What makes a profitable trader profitable is ending every single month in green. Ending every month in profit. As long as you up that month in profit consistently throughout a few months, you're profitable, bro. Blowing accounts does not mean you're not profitable, bro. I'll blow accounts to this day because I will put a lot of risk on them. So it does not mean that you're not profitable. And no, dude, it's not luck. Becoming profitable is not luck, dude. If you've found that you've become more consistent from January, that's not luck, dude. That's you. That's your edge slowly coming together, bro. That is absolutely not luck in any way possible. And do you know how many times, like, bro, in February, I had a huge month. I had a crazy run, the craziest run in my 7 years trading. I had $100,000 month, 100K month in payouts. And then March came, bro, and because of the war in Iran and that, I lost 80% of my accounts, bro, after that. I got one small payout in March. Like, I'm talking $2,000. So it can happen. You can have a very good run, and then after that you can go on a streak where it's not great. That is trading. I'm telling you the truth. And if you can't accept that, you need to rethink again if this is the industry you want to be in. You're not going to be making big bucks every single month, bro, like consistently every single month. You'll have green months consistently, but yeah, you're going to have the odd week or two there that's going to be shit, bro. Is all prop firm trading boom similar to crypto, Bitcoin? I don't know what he's talking. Is all prop firm trading? Bro, Cements, I'm struggling to understand your message, brother. This is the best way of trading. Stillness and trading mind is so effective, and you're exactly doing it, keeping it simple. You're aligned. Appreciate that, bro. Trading needs to be simple, my guy. Needs to be simple. The minute you overcomplicate it, you will lose. You will lose, bro. And I know that because trust me, it happened to me, man. I still find myself strategy jumping. Let me tell you something right now, bro. I spoke about this yesterday, the whole strategy jumping thing. Very, very, very important to stop that as soon as you can. Like, stop that today. Stop the strategy jumping, because you probably have a disease and it's called analysis paralysis, bro. I had it for 1 year, dude, where I learned so many strategies. I would open the chart and the next thing I would analyze everything. I would see supply and demand. I'd see ICT. I would see trend lines. I would see support and resistance, bro. I would see everything. I'd see everything. To the point where I literally had a thing called analysis paralysis. I was so paralyzed of seeing the chart correctly, I couldn't trade, bro. It happened like, what, 4 years ago to me. So yeah, just try your absolute best to stop the strategy hopping. Stick to something that's simple and follow it. You are never, with a strategy, guys, it's all about probabilities. It's all about percentage and win rate with it, okay? If you, like the strategy I have has an 80% win rate, there's still the 20% it's going to lose. So in that case, 3 months have been profitable. Are you in the States? No, bro, I'm in Europe. I'm currently living in the French Alps in France. Prop firm trading's been around for a while, Cements. It's been around for some time, for sure. Definitely a couple years now. I don't know exactly how many, but it's been around. Chat, you know what? Looking at this price action right now, I think I might just quit stream. I might end stream. It's been going on for what? We're almost going into 3 hour stream. So I don't think I'm gonna trade New York session. I think I might just call it quits. We're back Monday though, guys. We're gonna be back Monday, same time. So if you're new here and you don't want to miss next week, come back the same time. We're gonna be back Monday, and I really believe next week we're gonna have a good run. I think next week we're gonna have some clean price action. So yeah. I'm reading your comment now. So yeah, guys. How long did I take to become profitable? It took me 4 years, bro. I've been profitable for 3 years. I've been trading for almost 8. But I know that's simpler. The strat, the better it is. I have used EMA before and had some success, but that the way you just described it, I think it will give you... Yeah, brother. Come on stream. Open yourself to maybe learning something more simple, Aaron, and definitely see how that goes for you, bro. For sure. And then you can decide if you want to go back to what you've done or stick to something new. But if you're going to come and learn the strategy that I teach, you need to stick to it, bro. Don't look at anything else again, brother. But guys, it's been a super successful stream, man. I love you all literally so much. And I'm not just saying that, like I genuinely have a love for all of you for coming on, spending 3 hours with me, talking away, trading, and just learning. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you all on Monday. So with that being said, peace and love to all of you sexy people out there. And yeah, guys, have a beautiful weekend. Cheers.